Hello guys, good morning. Grabe yung higaan ko guys. Natutulog ako tapos yung higaan ko ang daming tutupiin. So, ito katabi pati map. Sunday po ngayon guys, Sunday. Late na late po akong gumising dahil talagang sinadya akong late kasi late din naman kasi ako natutulog. So, alam mo American style tayo eh. So, we're American style. So, ayan. Mag-spoken dollar na lang tayo para maintindihan tayo ng mga puti. So, good morning everyone. I just wake up and I have so many clothes to fold because my dad is been washing. Oh, may labandero ako, tatay ko ha. Huwag kayo dyan. And then, ako ngayon ang magmamap dahil sumasakit na po yung dibdib ko at hindi po ako pinapakinggan ng anak ko. At sobrang late din po siya natapos maglaba. So, naawa naman tayo sa anak natin. At sobrang gulo na po ng aking bahay. Kailangan ko na po siyang imap. So, ako po ngayon ang magmamap. So, ako po yung utility, katulong, and we'll see. Anong oras na ba? Diyos ko. Wala, mag-aalas 11 na pala. Hindi ko alam kung nagluluto si tatay. Tingnan natin yung kusinero natin. Labandero, kusinero, tatay ko. So, ako na ngayon ang I will be the one to map. Okay? So, magmamap si Pilipino. Tabayanan nyo. Siguro mamaya na ako maliligo. Pero ito lang ang ating outfit. Nakapandaan tayo. Ayan, panda outfit. So, bahala na kayo dyan guys sa aking background. Tutupiin ko muna ito guys. Tutupiin ko muna ito kasi nakakaya naman sa inyo. Siyempre, mag-light tayong nagising. Pero, diba? Nakapang, ano ba to? Anong tawag dito? Dalmatian? Dalmatian na te. Ay! Sorry po. Ayan na. Vlog pa more. Malalaglag na po ang cellphone ko kasi nakasaksak sa charger. Talaga naman si Pilipina. Magbablog pa, mali-mali pa yung vlog. So, ayan. Masanay na po kayo sa akin guys. At maya-maya kasi kailangan ko maligo. So, bago ako maligo, imap ko na lang ang bahay ko. At pipitin natin ang ating kalat. So, ayan. Diyan na po kayo. Okay? Panoorin nyo na lang ako guys habang ano man ang ginagawa ko. Bibilisan natin to. At si Angel, Diyos ko si Angel. Maglalaba pa lang si Angel. Oh. Hello vlog. Sabihin mo, hello guys.
Hello guys.
Anong gagawin mo? Ha?
Wash clothes.
Oh, she's going to wash clothes. It's spoken dollar sa Angel. So she's going to wash clothes, guys. I'm gonna spoken dollar so that you foreigners can understand. I'm going to fold these clothes. These are not dirty, guys. They're clean. Okay, so okay. That's life. I'm a mother. Okay, so yan po. Okay, so bibilisan na natin. Hi guys! Tapos na kaming kumain. We just finished eating lunch. So my son, I think he had breakfast late. So guess what? Who cleaned the floor? My son. So he's about to hang her clothes. She just finished her washing clothes, and I still have to finish, yeah, my folding clothes. So marami po andito pa.
What?
Sila. Ayan. So we're gonna put all that in the closet. So, yan. I still have to finish this, guys, okay? And watch my son do. Wayne, Rene, what you feel? Happy? Nakapaglinis ng sahig? Ha?
Init.
Mainit?
What?
Mainit. Talagang mainit kasi hindi naman tayo sa Amerika or sa Europe nakatira. Nasa Philippines lang tayo, anak. So, ayan. So, he's complaining about the heat. I don't like the heat, guys. Totally. I really don't like it. So, who like? Who like heat? You? You don't like heat? So, she's about to finish. What you will do with it? You going to hang them? Okay. So, ayan, guys. Angel is going to hang her uniform. That's her uniform. So my closet is still open. So we're gonna finish everything's up. And then, by the way, after this, we're going to swimming. Yahoo! We're going to swim, guys, and maybe we're going just to order a pizza. And of course, we don't have to forget to go to the church, right? So we still have to go to church, and I'm not sure we have to go buy something, groceries or something like that, because we still needed to have groceries for the whole week. You know, remember last time we also buy something, but I still needed to buy more for this week, for this coming week. So, yeah. Watch us, guys, swimming, okay? I will just finish. There you go. Angel is going to hang her clothes. Alright, we're gonna watch her hanging her clothes. Do you have hanger already? Yeah. Anyway, guys, we got the package from USA. I wonder what is this, but we're gonna check this out, guys. Okay, later on I will do unboxing for this box. All right, so we're gonna check Angels out. Hey, Lucky is there. Look, Lucky, excuse me, Lucky boy. So the sun is shining outside. Rene is already hanging his clothes there. That's my son's uniform, guys. And Angel is going to hang her clothes. Lucky, how are you, baby? How are you, boy? You okay? Say hello. Hello, vlog. Hello, people. So that's Angel's Girl Scout uniform. There you go. So she's going to hang those guys. Ayan, guys, the sun is shining. The village, you see, it's hot, very hot outside. The sky is beautiful sky, very clear. So walang ulan, mainit siya. Ayan si Angel. Nagsasampay si Endel. Ayan. Ito yung uniform na nilalabahan niya, guys. Ako, Angel, hindi nakukupasan yung damit mo, Jay. Pinagsama. Huwag mo idikit yung green na damit sa uniform ni Kuya. Hahawaan yan. Manghahawa yung green. Lagot ka kay Kuya mo. Ayan, guys. Hindi yata masushoot yan. Okay. Okay, punta na ako sa taas ha. Magtutupi lang si mami. Tatapos na si Angel. And Lucky is there. My son really, I don't know, he doesn't like Lucky to be inside because of his hair. He loves Lucky, but Lucky has to stay outside this time, guys. Because my son, my son have a depression, so we don't want to stress him out. So we have to let Lucky stay in outside or here, just in the spot. It's okay, it's safe, it's clean, so it's fine here, guys. All right. Lucky boy, excuse me. Excuse me. That's the only thing because he's gonna be disturbed when I'm going inside. So yun guys, ito yung ating living room, a dining area here inside the house. So ayan po, nilagyan na namin ng Christmas lights, but later on we're gonna put also our Christmas tree. And there were I doing some my shorts, for the toys and so on. And then this is my side table for my computer and this and that. And yeah, so this is my spot, guys. And then we have a little television there. This is a very old one. This is same age as Angel, 11 years old is LG, guys. So there you go, as you can see there. And at least it's we still have to take this out here because I'm just trying to clean up a little bit for Christmas. And we have our altar there. We have a little Nino, Nazareth, Virgin Mary, Mama Mary, and the Holy Bible there. And we have angels. So yeah, so this one here, actually this lights is already some of the lights is not good anymore, so I don't know if I could able to. And this electric fan is not good, it doesn't work properly. And we have a little television there. Yan, makalat pa po ang bahay namin, so at least we have a spirit of Christmas to celebrate the Jesus Christ birthday. Yan, so this is my home sweetie home. But guys, my floor is the bad one. So the situation here, this one here, guys, I have a very big problem with my floor. So ayan po, see, so it's everything, guys, is not really in a good position. See that, guys, everything is broken. So lahat po yan, guys, lahat po yan ng tiles ko, nag-alsahan na po sila. So all the tiles here is really needed to be fixed up. See this one also, it's all over, guys, all over in this floor, even in my room. So lahat po, all the tiles is needed to be fixed, but just because we don't have the budget for it, so I don't know when we're going to. So I wish that the tiles will be fixed, guys, as soon as we have a budget for it. But right now we don't have budget, so this is the situation that we just have to be very careful. That's why I'm putting this one, cover this rug here, and some part here I put also. This one here is very dangerous for the children. You see, everything is not good with the floor. So but at least we have the spirit of Christmas. I'll just have to put up probably in this spot, the Christmas tree. So when I go live streaming, then we have a situation that nice. So this is my little home, guys, for your information. And guys, that frame is from Thailand, when I've been in Thailand before. But if things has changed, we can't able to travel, so we have to switch off this light, guys, so that the electricity will not so consume too much. And this one, I'll just only show you how I set up my Christmas lights, guys. See, also to the stairs. So we have, even if at night and only this we put on, at least we have some brightness inside the house and the spirit of Christmas of our Jesus Christ. All right, amen. So we'll have to take it out, guys, because we have to save the electricity. So that's it. And we have a little mirror there, and I'll have to go back to my thing sa guys, ito sira na rin yung natin kasame. Ayan ang situation natin, ito madumi, hindi nililinis. Dapat sana naman may maawang maglinis dyan.
Yeah.
Sino maawa? Tingnan natin dito. Hala, hindi inayos yung kwarto. Yan na nga. Ang gulo ng kwarto ni Angel, guys. Oh my God. Nakakahiya. Si Rene kaya. Oh my God, ganun din.
Magic.
Oh my God, lalo na sa akin. Daming damit. Sa kanila naman to, guys. Yung mga damit na yan. So, ayan. So, si Angel tumutulong sa akin. But of course, because it's Sunday, it's a family day. So, after this folding clothes, we're going to swimming. Yay! Are you happy?
Ano siya sa ating swimsuit namin?
Huh? Oh my God. We're going to swim today. So, Angel got this swimwear. And this one. Then, I bought this, I think, together with her uniform and some of her clothes for Christmas. No, I think, yeah. This is her Christmas gift. And this one. So, I bought this for her. It's not cheap, guys. This is quite expensive kind of material. It's very good too. And the color, do you like the color, guys? So I'll show you mine, okay? We'll do unboxing a little bit for this vlog. And that's Angel passing. So I think this is my,
Yan ba yun?
I'm not sure. Are you sure this is one? May Lady. Ito ba Angel? Baka ano to? Yeah, let me see. So we'll do unboxing a little bit, everybody. Okay. So ito yan. Yan, ano natin siya. Open natin. Hopefully this is the one. Ooh, that looks like. Oh, wow. Nice. I ordered 3.
Ito,
I ordered 3. Why it's only 2? So I got this one, guys. Peach. 1 peach and 1 red. Wow. So I'll show you how I look like wearing this. Alright. So ganito siya, guys. Ating ano. So that's how it look like. Oh my God. Look at that. It will.
sexy.
Wow. 1 piece. Sana all. So guess what I will wear. And then we'll have to open this one. Matagal ko na po ito. This is, I ordered this a while ago. Like last, let me check. April? Last April. See? April, guys. Last April. Oh, wow. This is very sexy. Meow. I think this one is good. Wow. This is good for the beach. Huh? Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Excited? Okay, let me fit this one. Guys, huwag niyo akong pagtatawanan, okay? Suot ko na po siya. I wear already the clothes, the swimsuit. Parang awa niyo na, okay? So, magkaroon po tayo ng konting comedy. We will have a little comedy and comedy because it will show my belly, ano, you know, belly, heavy fats. You know, from 55 to 70 kilos. So, don't expect too much. Okay, so please. Takpan niyo po ang inyong mga mata habang iyon ko po ang aking camera. Okay? Wait a moment, guys. Parang away na. Parang away na. Ito po yung aking binili. Ito po yung aking. Ito pwede ipakita yung harap. Baka kasi lumabas yung bulbal. Takpan ko din yung likod. Ito po yung aking ano, tawang-tawa si Angel, guys. Nagtatabi kasi tupiin namin, guys. Sabi ko, mag-ano muna ako. Mag-model.
Harangan.
Tatakpan ko ang aking hinaharap kasi baka may bulbul lumabas. So, ito po yung nabili natin, guys. Ayan. Oh, may tag pa po siya. There's a tag. So, ayan. Takpan ko po yung likod. Ganyan. Pak, ganun. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung isa. Okay? So, antabayanan nyo, guys. Maawa po kayo. Diyan lang kayo. Huwag kayo lumayo. Ito na naman yung isa. Two items, right? I got two fitting howl swimsuit. So, I'll show you the other one. Okay? Please, watch your eyes. Watch your mind and watch your mouth, okay? So, I hope you won't say anything bad about this, okay? I'm only fitting my swimsuit, so of course I have to show you. I'm unpacking it, right? So, I have to show it. I'm going to swim soon. We will be late, okay? So, here we go. Tadadam, tadadam, tadadam. Oops. Oh, wow. Boom paners.
Sa likod.
Ang sa likod. Wow. Wow, ang taba. Ang taba pa mo. So, ayan. So, ganyan lang, guys. Okay? So, pak na pak. So, parang hiram lang po siya na damit. Pero, okay na yan. Ito yung susuotin ko ngayon. This one? Wow, si Angel.
May isa kasi yung...
Sure ka?
Oo nga!
Si Angel lang
May isa
nagsabi.
pa tayong bulbul.
Kita, kita yung bulbul ko sa isa, no?
Ano?
Obvious naman. So, ayan guys, ito na daw, napili na ni Angel ang isusuot ni Mami. So, eto, saka na lang to kasi pag nag-shave na si Mami,
Hindi nakapag-shave.
ito na yung susuotin natin. Nagmamadali si Angel eh, gusto niya na mag-swimming. So, this one will gonna be, next time. Si Angel naman, yun ang susuotin niya. So, dapat match na match to sa dun sa mo, ito. Diba guys? Ito match to sa kanya. Ito.
Kasi siya pansin naman.
Para kaming sasayaw sa swimming pool.
Cha-cha-cha.
Sayaw kaming sit-sit, ali-bang-bang, sa laginto, sa lagubang. Ang... sige na. Mamaya na muna guys. Mag-swimming pa tayo. Tatakbusin pa namin, tutupiin namin. Diyos ko po, hindi pa tapos. O, ayan o. Si Angel, tinutulungan na si Mami. O, si Mami naman, busy-busy. Ganun. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you. Guys, we're done already folding the clothes. So, as you can see, wala na po. Malinis na yung bed ko. And actually, me and Angel were going to swimming. And she's ready. Wow, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Yes. Ayan guys, her outfit. So, we're about to go swimming before we go to church today. So, me and Angel will gonna have a little bit exercise because, I'm getting big na. Imagine guys, from 55 to 70 kilos. So, oh my God. So, guys, samahan nyo kami. Swimming time. So, ito po yung outfit natin, guys. Medyo mahaba po siya. Ang tiyan. At iba na. Ayan. So, ito po yung natin. Outfit. May shape pa naman susuotin natin. Andyan na po sa ilalim yung ating swimsuit. Suot-suot ko na po. Ewan ko kung nandyan pa yung tag. Patatanggal. Oo nga, no? Yung tag pala, guys. Nandyan pa. Teka lang. Patatanggal ko lang kay Angel yung tag. Tingnan nyo, guys. Mabaho yung kilik-kilik ko. Di bagong ligo lang ako. Ewan ko ba? Hindi ako naglalagay ng deodorant. Amoy.
Ay, mga tanggal.
Smell kilikili. Okay, let's go guys. Ayan. magkano tong ano na to. Sa pera na to, $60. Hindi ko alam kung saan to guys. Pero $60 siya. Pero binili ko siya ng, magkano yun dyan?
250.
250 each?
Mm.
Each, yeah. So that's like $10 for 2 swimsuits. So 250 is like $5, right? So $10 in total. But originally the price is $60. So I got it so cheap. Okay, let's go look at Angel. She's already. Let's go. You go swimming with us?
Enggak na.
Unja na? Nagbisaya si Rini. Unja na means mamaya na, sabi ni Kuya. Kuya said, unja na is mamaya na. But we're going to the church, Rene. Asan na yung ano ko? Where is my... Where's the key? Car key.
Nasa taas.
So, ayun guys. Napakainit ng mundo. So, kailangan naming magbabad sa swimming pool kahit sobrang init at we needed to go stuck our body in the pool. So, later on, we're going to a church, okay? And we'll buy something in the grocery. So, see you in a bit, guys. Hello, guys! Akala namin hindi kami makakapag-swimming, worry sa Angel kasi merong reception kasi dito sa clubhouse. So, today we're going to vlog as well. So, we're going out now. So, ayan, let's go.
Kasi may mag-swimming eh.
Okay na.
Tapos nakabukas yung falls.
And then, magbabayad po kami. Nagpalit ako ng damit kasi ang sikip na ito guys. I'm going to church. It's a very tight this one. I changed my clothes. This one, you know when you sit in front of the so Angel is going with me. So I'm going to comb my hair. We just been in the swimming, right after swimming. So now we're going to the church so that we will pray, we will pray, especially for my parents. They are both sick, and my mom called that she might come here before Christmas, and she will celebrate with us the Christmas. So hopefully we will meet my mother, guys. I'm so excited, and I hope we could able to have a budget for her to pay for her airlines so that she can come here. So ayan, tamang tipid-tipid muna si Filipina ngayon. Siguro mamimili lang kami ng konti para sa nila na Angel. At ayan. babaunin nila sa school. Titingnan pa natin kung meron pa bang pangbaon sila. Wala na silang biscuits. So, sabagay nagbabaon naman sila ng pera guys. So, tsaka alam niyo na ang nangyayari. Mag-aano yan sila. Uwian. Nagpa-tricycle sila papuntang school. So, kailangan yun maaga. Kung ano yung oras ng labasan, yun din yung oras ng labas mo. Ha? Hindi, wala ka nang aantay yung iba. Naintindihan mo? Uwi agad.
Hindi na ako laging late.
Hindi ka na uuwi ng late din. Maaga kang mag-alis kasi magkukumute ka. Mumulot ako ng buhok ko guys. Kasi naglalagas yung buhok ng Filipina. Nagsusuklay. Pero konti lang siya guys. Hindi kagaya pag regular. If it's regular conditioner, my hair is a lot. But oh, see, it's only a little bit. So, see you guys. We'll go to the church and see you soon. We're ready to go. Where's my mask? So I got my mask. And of course, I want my seatmate, like Angel, will smell me good. So because I am wearing red, so I got red mask guys. Alright? So we'll see you soon in a bit guys. We'll go to church and I'll show you the church once again. Okay? Thank you very much. So pray for us guys, and I will pray for all of you. For those who are watching, God bless. Okay? See you soon. Hello guys, we're about to go out. And I'll show you the way to the on the way to the church. Oh my god. Did you see that guys? The little girl. Actually, my car needed a cleaning, but you know, I was so busy, so I'll just do like this so that it's already 5 p.m. in the afternoon here in the Philippines. So this is our village, guys, for your information. Did you see that? Mm-mm. Okay. There was old lady in front of my car, guys. I'll show you. Let's go. Let's go to the church. Okay, hello. Ayan guys, so this is the church. Bulacan Church. Ayan. Nagpag yung ano ko. Ito na tayo sa loob. Ito eh. Late na kami. So, pakita ko po sa inyo ang ano guys. Entrance. Ang ganda po. Kasi marami na pong ilaw ngayon kasi gabi na siya. Ang entrance. Wala na yung ano. Dito tayo, check. Ha? Teka lang, mag-cross tayo muna. Dito pa tayo saan? Ha? Dito tayo. Ganda. Ayan guys. Diyan tayo. Masyadong tayo.
Diyan.
Ito na tayo. Ayun guys, ang church. Wait lang kami sa mass. Sa mass. Ayan. Very relaxing inside the church. So, ganda po. Ang tahimik. Angel is wondering what's our flying. Look at these birds. Doon sila pumupunta. Yung mga birds. Ayun, maraming bats. Bats. There, oh. May bats. Maraming bats. There are lots of bats. Kita nyo guys, may mga bats doon. That one there. Saan na ba yung kamay ko? Ayan, ayan siya. Ayan, may bats yan. Yun o, lumilipad. Madilim. Ayan. Ito po dito guys, oh. Maganda siya. May entrance. Mukhang mga Bulacan Church. Ha? tayo sa ano, sa Walter Mart. Shirts. Hmm? Daming tao guys. Daming tao. Siksikan. Ganito. So many people.
Cotton candy.
Ha? So ayan, daming tao. Ha? Cotton candy na naman? Uy, teka lang.
Ano ba siya namin?
Ha? Wala.
Mamakain.
Wala, wala tayong pera. Teka lang. Walang pera sa Pilipina guys. Bibili daw kami ng cotton candy. No money. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito ang ganda ng alas ng bahay. Ito yung church ng Bulacan. Daming tao. Naglabasan ang mga... Ha? Sobra. Ganda. So, ayan. Ito may parking dito. So, ito yung labasan ng... Si Angel gustong bumili ng ano guys. Kailangan namin ng
50.
salapi. 50 ba yun? Daming cotton candy guys. Dati. Angel. Na kami. Hindi na ba tayo? Ang ganda talaga oh. Saglit. Let's go.
Walang pambaon sa school.
Oh, wala na. Naubos na yung pera. Ito yung kotse namin ang dumi. Guys, we are now on the way to where we going?
Walter Mart.
Walter Mart. It's kind of like late, but we can make it still. I think they're going to close soon, so just gonna be hurry. We'll only have to buy her biscuits, something, you know, something we needed. So yeah. Let's go. Mamaya ko na kayo kausapin ulit. Okay? Guys, we already bought something. Groceries for tomorrow, this week coming. Because the kids needed something, you know. Like tocino, longganisa, biscuits, milk. And yeah. So I bought something that I also needed, important. So like sunrocks for cleaning the toilet or whatever, and yeah, some soap, powder soap, and I spent like $85. So good luck. Plus my gasoline, so it's gonna be like probably 90. So $90. So thing is not 100. So unlike last time that I spent more. So we still have some of the groceries that we have last time. So this time I bought something that I also needed for my shorts. So guys, I maybe not show you what I bought, but anyway, maybe if I have time, because I feel a bit tired because we've been swimming, you know, and yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell and click thumbs up and leave a funny comment below of this vlog that we have. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you, Jen.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So I'll show you later on if whatever I bought, if I have time, okay, I'll show you. God bless everyone. Ciao.